Is your garage or workspace cluttered with tools? Do you struggle with misplaced nuts and bolts or disorganized toolboxes? Meet ToolTray, the ultimate solution to all your tool organization woes. Let's take a closer look. Proudly made in the USA, ToolTray is the perfect addition to any garage or workspace. Made from the same material as our best-selling FloorLiner HP, ToolTray's durable yet flexible construction includes a non-slip surface that keeps your gear in place. ToolTray's dividers and patterns keep smaller nuts and bolts in place so you can say goodbye to misplaced tools and disorganized toolboxes. With convenient side handholds, moving ToolTray from spot to spot is easy, and you don't have to worry about it bending and spilling its contents. ToolTray comes with a built-in phone holder, so you can watch all the instructional videos you need hands-free while you work. Plus, ToolTray comes with a hanger for pegboard placement, making it easy to keep your tools within reach and organized. The innovative design includes sloped inside edges and corners, so cleaning it out is no problem, even in the messiest garages. ToolTray is the perfect choice for mechanics, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're working on a car or assembling furniture, ToolTray keeps your workspace organized and lets you take on any project with ease. Work smarter, not harder, with ToolTray.
WeatherTech. Auto, home, pet. Find your fit.